Did you know you could ditch the boring gift card and actually send someone a gift that could grow in value? Forget socks and tie-dye t-shirts. We're talking about gifting crypto. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or something a little more niche, sending a cryptocurrency gift is a perfect way to introduce a friend or family member to the future of finance, and thankfully, Coinbase makes it incredibly easy. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to send a crypto gift right from your Coinbase account. Let's jump in. First things first, make sure you have the Coinbase app or are logged in on the web. It's the central hub for all this digital gifting. Now, to send your gift, look for the Send or Send and Receive button. It's usually right on your home screen or accessible from the main menu. Tap that. Next, you need to choose the crypto you want to send. Scroll through your portfolio and pick your poison, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, it's all up to you. Then, enter the amount. You can input it in your local currency, like dollars or euros, and the app automatically calculates the equivalent crypto amount. Nice and easy. Now for the recipient. This is the best part of sending on Coinbase. You don't need a complicated wallet address. You can send crypto using just their email address. If they already have a Coinbase account with that email, the transfer is instant and usually free. If they don't have an account, Coinbase will send them an email inviting them to sign up and claim their gift. Just enter their email and tap Continue. Before you hit send, you'll get a preview send screen. Take a moment to check the details, the amount, the asset, and the recipient's email. Sometimes, you'll see a network fee, especially if you're sending to an external wallet, so pay attention to that. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit the final Send Now button. That's it. Your gift is sent. It will typically be delivered instantly to the recipient's email or their existing Coinbase account. You've just sent a gift that's more than just money, it's a piece of the crypto revolution. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.